There is no peace in the Dlamini household as the family forces Mbali to marry the man who killed her husband. Kodwa ke isiko inkomo zakwaDlamini namafa kaSibusiso must be kept in the family. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Sophie stories. Today guys, we're talking about Durban Jane. Guys, after Sibusiso's death, most people were happy that at last Mbali will be free and be with Lindelani, her soulmate. Culturally, Mbali is expected to dress in black, signifying that she is mourning for her husband. The Dlaminis are disappointed in Mbali, even Usibusiso in his grave akayivumi akayemukele, and this is what will happen. Sibusiso guys uzopoka niyasazi sipoki nake nasibona, so uSibusiso uzopoka apokele uLindelani until he consider ukuhlukana noMbali. He will first think ukuthi he was dreaming, but he repeatedly sees Sibusiso's ghost. Lindelani will later collapse and be admitted to hospital. The doctors will reveal that there is nothing wrong with him. He will try everything, even cleansing ceremony, but bad luck will continue to follow him. He will be left with one option: ukuhlukana nomfazi womuntu ozilile ofelwe indoda. I don't know guys if I'm alone, but I was hoping to see uMbali noLindelani bebopha ifindo lika Sofa Silahlane, kodwa ispoki sithi never. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.